I say your name. A member of McDonald's Kitty Crew Batch 2017. Do solemnly promise to always try my very best to practice the good habits and attitudes I learned while I was a kitty crew at McDonald's. I will strive to be diligent, responsible, respectful, friendly, and most of all, I will try to be happy all the time. Always with a smile on my face. Say love ko to. Love ko to. Love ko to.